had a bad habit of missing lovers past. My brother used to call it eating out of the trash. It's never gonna last. I thought my house was haunted. I used to live with ghosts.
Dito, parang medyo
All the perfect colors.
Itigas ba yung ulo na?
hindi, yung ano lang.
Ayaw yung ano. Di ba may gel siya?
All of the foes and all of the friends have seen it before, they'll see it again. Life is a song.
They like it, they're pretty.
You were dancing through the night.
Wow, ganda naman ang brightness ngayon ah. Okay.
Now the sky is all bright. Oh, oh my Lord, never made no one like you before. You had to make your own sunshine, but now the sky is all bright.
Yeah, hi.
He
always real.
Why you felt alone? You were in it for real. She was
Kailangan magpitigil.
just a pose, and don't be trying to run.
Okay na yung salad.
And what a simple thought. You're starving till you're not. All of the foes and all of the friends have messed up before, they'll mess up again. Life is a song, it ends when it ends. You move on. And that's when I told you it's alright. You were dancing through the lightning strikes, sleepless in the onyx night. But now the sky is open light. Oh, oh my Lord, never met no one like you before. You had to make your own sunshine, and now the sky is open light. Oh, this is just a storm inside a teacup. Take shelter here with me, my love. Thunder like a drum, this life will beat you up. This is just a temporary speed bump, but failure brings you freedom, and I can bring you love. Don't you sweat it, baby, it's alright. You were dancing through the lightning strikes, oh so sleepless in the onyx night. But now the sky is open light. Oh my Lord, never met no one like you before.
Please welcome our beauty girl, Roslyn Shea, together with Daddy Joseph. Please give them a round of applause to our beauty girls. Ang malakas ng palakpakan naman dyan. opening prayer muna tayo. So, inaanyayahan po namin ang lahat. Please stand up, guys.
Taas po namin, Panginoon, ang lahat ng gagamitin mo sa oras na ito, Panginoon. At hayaan mo, Panginoon, ang kalooban mo, ang siyang pumailang lang sa aming kalagitnaan, ang kapayapaan, ang kasiyahan, Panginoon. Ito po ang aming dalangin at hiling sa pangalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Banal na Espiritu. In Jesus' mighty name, Amen.
Every kid say, hi! Hello! Alright, okay, so now guys, we will start our party. So now, kakantaan mo na si Rose ng isang malakas na party, isang may kasamang palakpak at yung malakas, okay? So now, partner, music tayo. Alright, everybody clap your hands, guys! Ayan, kailangan lahat ng kids natin pinapalakpak. Ayan, ang hindi pinapalakpak, hindi kakain. Ready? 1, 2, 3. To you, happy birthday to you. Thank you, Lord, guys. Happy birthday. One more. Happy birthday, Rensland. Happy birthday to you. Yung palabas. Kinakain nyo na ba yung sila na? Ang dami nyo nakakain. To you. Alright, so happy birthday to you, Rosebell. And now, lahat ng kids natin sa lahat pa ng mga bisita. Batiin naman natin si Rosebell. Let's say, happy birthday, Rosebell. Yung pinakamalakas. So guys, palakpakan naman natin si Chris Montero, our first candle. Actually, gusto ko sabihin, happy 7th birthday, Pasha. Mamita loves you very much. Tingin ka sa akin. Magbibig siya kasi yun. Pasha, ang prayer ko, lumaki ka sa pagmamahal ng Panginoon, sa kanyang grasya at biyaya, sa karunungan. Alam mo, proud na proud si Mamita kasi matalino ka. Hindi ka na baby. You're 7 years old na, so magiging malapit ka na maging dalaga. Yan. So, ang prayer ko na mas higit ka maging matapang, mas higit kang magmahal, mas higit kang maging mabuting anak, mabait, masunurin, at mapagmahal sa mga pamilya mo, sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Okay? I also pray na patuloy kang bigyan ng Lord ng maayos na kalusugan, ilalayo ka niya sa anumang karamdaman o sakit. Okay? At bigyan ka niya ng mga kaibigan na magbibigay sa iyo ng gala, ng siya at pagmamahal. Okay? At lagi mong tatandaan, Rosebell, Pasha, ang buong Borak family, kami lahat ay mahal na mahal ka. Ha? At kung anytime na gusto mong pumunta kay Mamita, lagi kang welcome doon. We love you, Pasha. Happy 7th birthday. Our second candles, Selena Borak. Palakpakan naman for Mami Selena.
Smile Pasha. Wish ni nanay maging mabait, masunurin kay mama at kay papa, mag-aral ng mabuti, which is nag-aaral naman talaga kasi lagi kang nasa top, diba, Rosebell? At sana ay ilayo ka na sa sakit para hindi mo na maranasan yung turok, diba? Pasyang, ayaw mo na nun yung turok, injection. O, kaya sabi ni nanay, maging healthy ka lagi. Happy birthday, Rosebell! Pasyang!
Alright, palakpakan naman po, Mami Selena, for our second candles, guys. Okay, and now we're going on our third candle, Caitlin Siha. So,
happy birthday, Pasyang! Ang wish ni tita sa'yo ay sana lumaki ka masunurin kay mama at papa. Laging ipagpatuloy yung mag-aral ng mabuti at magkaroon ng takot sa Diyos palagi. Sana lumaki ka matatag, lumaki kang masayahin. Kasi parang sa totoo,
ang swerte ni mama at papa sa'yo. Mabait, nag-aaral ng mabuti, very jolly, diba? And very talented. Sana masaya ka ngayong happy birthday mo, anak. Our fourth candles, Ma'am May. Letter. Smile, baby. Happy birthday. Siyempre, sa mga babies ko, lagi ka nilang namimiss. Happy birthday. Alright, palakpakan naman po, Ma'am May, guys. Okay, and now for our fifth candle.
Always, study first ka, tapos, parents lagi proud sa'yo.
Ang punong kabalas sa kusina. Happy birthday, baby ko. Sana laging maganda. At lagi palalo sa school. Okay? Happy birthday. Palakpakan naman natin si Nanay Rosalina, guys, for our sixth candle. And now for our last candle, Kenneth Belisnomo. Then, happy 7th birthday. Lagi ka magpapasalamat kay mama mo at kay papa mo. Siyempre, lalo na kay Papa Gan. Lagi ka magka-thank you sa lahat ng mo ang dami ng bisita. Happy birthday ulit, baby. Alright, palakpakan naman, guys, for our last candle. And now, spend this candle is very meaningful, okay? Each candle represents a heartfelt wish for health, happiness, wisdom, love, success, peace, and faith. Lighting them symbolizes hope and a bright journey ahead, okay? So now, Rosebell, you may now blow your 7th wishes candle at sana'y matupad lahat ng wish nila para sa iyo, okay? So starting from others, ready? 1, 2, 3, and blow! Our 6th candle. And last. Alright, this is malakas na palakpakan naman, guys, for our 7th candle. And now, we go on the 7th candle. Punta po tayo lang dito sa harapan for picture taking for souvenir. Okay. Ayan, saan naman si Mami? Ma'am, sama po kayo rito, ma'am? Kasali po kayo rito kasi naman nag-high heels pa eh. Alright, kaya nga po malaki yung upuan pang-family. Okay, so ready? Guys, everybody look at the camera. Ready? 1, 2.
Hi, Rosbel. Happy birthday. You're so pretty. You're so smart. Tsaka, kumanta ka ng golden. And, carry the gold.
Yes po, my God. Sige po, ma'am, pakibigay po yung inyong gift para sa celebration sa Rosebell. Alright, so guys, palakpakan naman po, Ma'am Rain, all for our first gift. And now, we go on our second symbolic gifts, Amber Akio.
Friend, I like your style and you're so cute. I love you the way you are. Happy birthday.
Alright, palakpakan naman, guys, for Amber, our second gift. Okay, thank you so much, Amber. And now for our third gifts, we go on Sky Kaden. Kaden ba o Kaiden? Kaden. Sky.
I like the way that you show your smartness and your loveness. And I truly love you.
Last palakpakan naman, guys. May truly love you na. 7 pa lang kayo na. Okay, thank you, Sky. Ma'am, alam mo na, ma'am. Abot pa kaya ng 18. Ngayon pa lang, 7 pa lang eh. May truly love you na. Okay, and now for our 4 gifts, we go on Serena Sihas.
Happy birthday, Prasham. I love you.
Yay! Palakpakan naman po, Serena, guys. Okay, thank you, baby. And now, Serena, ayan, okay, and now we go on our 5th gifts. We go on Andre Chavez.
Birthday, Rosbin, and God bless you.
Alright, palakpakan naman po, Andre. Okay, thank you so much, Andre. Now for our next, our 6th gift, we go on Arabella Solorio. Palakpakan naman po, Arabella. Thank you, baby. Ayan, para may lakad sa Arabella, no? Nasa ba na? Okay, and now for our last gift, we go on Bibi Haba.
I hope all your wishes will come true this year.
Alright, palakpakan naman for Phoebe, guys, for our last gift. Okay, we complete the 7 gifts, and now, guys, picture taking tayo for souvenir. And now, Rose Ben, meron kang 3 gifts to open it, ha? Meron kang 3 regalo na gusto mong buksan. Pwede natin i-open ngayon. Pero bago yon, picture taking muna tayo para sa ating 7 gift. Truly love you. Truly love you. Wow, mga post nila na itara dyan na. Okay, thank you po, DPP, sa iyong regalo. Okay, so now our next gift to open, galing kay Kaden. Okay, sige, open mo, baby. Wow, okay, sige.
Thank you, Kaden.
Okay, and our last one. Okay, sige naman, baby. Open mo, baby. Okay, say thank you.
Thank you, Amber.
Okay, thank you, Amber. Okay, so thank you so much para sa ating 7 symbolic gifts, guys. Very appreciate na natin celebrate ang inyong mga regalo dahil alam niya ang magagamit at gusto niya to. Okay, so now we will move to our next, our 7th dress.
Happy birthday po siya. Stay smart, kind and beautiful. We love you.
Alright, palakpakan naman, guys, from Ma'am Bianca for our first dress. And now, we go on our second dresses, Eliana Pedyong. Okay, palakpakan naman, go Eliana, guys. Eliana, yay! We go on Ma'am Angel Perez for our third dress.
Hi Rose Ben, happy birthday. Love ka namin.
Yes, thank you, Ma'am Angel. Okay, and now for our fourth dress, we go on April Tayani. Hi! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Hi Masyang! Happy 7th birthday! Stay beautiful, smart. Yun lang, sana lumaki kang palaban sa buhay.
Ay, paano na sila? Huwag nakipag-away yung bata, ha? Lumaking palaban, ha? Ang bait-bait ng bata, totoo naman maging basagulero. And now for our fifth dress, so now we go on Patrice Tulanan. Ay, mahaba-haba to.
Hi Rose Ben, happy birthday.
Okay mo daw. Ipapa-MMK na lang natin, sige umiyak ka. Okay, wala ba naman mo ng Patrice? Our next, our sixth dress, Tita Pia Perez.
Happy birthday, Rose Ben, Shea. Mr. Pretty like si Tita.
Uwi ang
Pag-aaral mabuti at lagi good girl. At huwag kakalimutan paglaki. Shot po na yun. Yay!
Ma'am, 7 pa lang yung bata. Ay, bala ka ng painin. Okay, now for our last dresses, so now we go on Patricia Perez.
Sige ma'am. Happy birthday, Rose Ben. Dito lang kaming family mo to support sa lahat ng gusto mo. Ayun lang. Happy birthday, we love you.
Palakpakan naman guys! Sige! So now we complete the 7 dresses. Yan, nandiyan ka baby sa tabi niya ni Rose Ben. Okay, yung ating mga nagseseksihan at yung isang busog. Okay, thank you so much. And now for our next, guys, our 7 sandals and shoes. Sandals or shoes. To start the 7 sandals and shoes, and now we go on our first sandal, Joey Ruiza.
Happy 7th birthday, Rose Ben. With these shoes, remind you to always walk with confidence, kindness, and joy. Wherever your little feet take you, may they bring you wonderful adventures and more fun. So happy birthday.
Okay, palakpakan naman natin si Ma'am Joey, our Ninang Joey, okay? And now for our second sandals, guys, and now we go on, Lera Montero.
Hi, Rose Ben! Happy birthday! Ma-wish ko lang sa'yo you use these shoes as you go along the way and continue your journey as a kid and magsaya ka lang. Ayan. Happy birthday ulit!
Okay, palakpakan naman guys for our second sandals. Our third sandals, Katrina Kalanga.
Hello po! Hello, Rose Ben!
Yes! So, energy. Palakpakan natin guys! Yes!
Rose Ben naman, sabi ng mami mo, ang shoes dapat magagamit mo sa school. Pero feeling ko gusto mo ng shoes na magagamit mo sa TikTok.
Yeah!
Saan mo magagamit mo sa TikTok? Sorry na. Ito ay pinili ni Miley. Happy birthday, you're so beautiful. Beautiful ba si Rose Ben?
Yes!
Yes! Happy birthday, baby. Kita.
Alright, palakpakan naman guys! Alright, gusto kong energy, nakakita niyo naman. And now for our next, Jaden Trompe.
Hiya po! Ang ganda-ganda mo for today. Ang message lang ni Lola sa'yo is continue to be a good girl. Then, always pray to God para may guidance ka lagi. Then, kung ano yung gusto ni mama at papa, always na susundin sila. Then, lumaki kang mabuting bata lalo at maging smart palalo. Yun lamang. Happy birthday, Apo!
Alright, palakpakan naman guys! Now for our next sandals, and now we go on, Belian Jr.
Rose Ben, ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay
Smile baby! Smile!
ang tao sa Panginoon at sumalit sa parents mo. Ayun lang.
Our 6 sandals, Jean Pedranco.
Hi, Rose Ben. Happy birthday. Mag-aaral ka mabuti, tsaka laging makikinig kay mama at kay papa.
7 sandals, Nelia Abundo.
Hi, Ate Rose Ben. Happy 7th birthday. Ang wish lang namin sa'yo is good health and then laging pray kay God and then makinig lagi kay mama at papa. Happy birthday!
Alright, palakpakan naman guys for our last sandals, and now we complete the 7 sandals. Gawin natin balloons.
One, two, three.
Okay, so now guys, we will send our 7 balloons, and now we go on our first balloon, Wendy Asorto.
Happy birthday, Rose Ben. Wish ko sa'yo is maging mabuting bata at masunurin lang lagi sa mama at papa. Happy birthday!
Alright, palakpakan.
Happy Rose Ben. Ganyan ka palagi and more birthdays to you.
Okay, palakpakan naman guys for our second balloons guys. Okay, so now Rose Ben. Oh! Please na. For our third balloons.
Hello. Happy birthday.
Ano yung ihapos ng dalawa? Kaya magkaaway mortal to.
Ayun, wish ni ate, sana bawasan mo yung kamalditahan mo. Diba? Charot. Stay pretty like ate. Alam mo na yan. Tapos, always pray to God. Hindi yung magpipray ka lang pag ako yung kasama mo matulog. Ayun, be a good girl and love ka namin always.
Okay, palakpakan naman guys. Okay, for our third balloons. Okay, so now, Roseman. Mas parang takot pa yung may hawak ng lobo, ano? Sige. May pera. Ay, pati sila ngayon. Pag di mo siya binatay, hindi ka kakain. Okay. Okay, now.
Hello, Roseman. Happy birthday. Actually, hindi mo talaga ako kilala, but ako ay isa sa iyong mga nina. I'm Verdirang Dayan. And sa natatandaan ko, ito pa lang yung pangatlong pagkikita natin. First is yung baby ka pa lang, your baptism. Second was yung wedding ni Tita Ann mo. And this is the third time na you're really a big girl. You're celebrating your 7th birthday. My birthday message for you is that be a good girl and also always follow your mama and papa. Kasi sabi sa Bible, lalo na nakasaad sa Ephesians chapter 6 verse 1-2, sumunod at igalang natin ang ating mga magulang sapagkat ito ay merong kalakip na pangako sa ating Panginoon. Ang kalakip ay lalawig at giginhawa ang ating buhay. Kaya ang payo ko sa iyo, gusto ko, pray ko for you is lumaki kang may takot at magkakilala sa ating Panginoon. Happy birthday!
Alright, palakpakan naman! Galante naman si Ninang. Alright, thank you so much Ma'am Diana G. And now for our next balloons, our balloon Sherry Vasquez. Ninang din pala to. Alright.
Hi Rosevin, happy birthday. Hindi ako magte-thank you para sa invitation. Magte-thank you ako sa iyo kasi ikaw yung nagbigay ng masayang buhay para sa parents mo, especially to your mama. Ang wish ko sa iyo, maging mabuti kang bata hanggang paglaki mo, mahalin mo ang magulang mo ng buong buo at maging thankful para sa kanilang effort. Then, happy birthday!
Alright, palakpakan naman po ang Sherry for our 5th balloon. Okay, so now for our 6th balloon, Cristel Mabolo. Anong gusto nang ni Rosebel putakin lahat ng logo na walang naman ba? Okay, so now Rosebel.
Sa totoo lang, hindi ako ready sa mga sasabihin. Kasi sabi, puputok lang ng logo. Hello, Rosebel. Happy birthday. Sana lahat ng mga kukuha mo dito, huwag mo bibigay kay mo. Ay, makahirap po, guys. Buti na lang yung katalinuhan mo nagmana sa papa mo, hindi sa mga... Joke lang. That's all.
Alright, palakpakan naman guys for our Ma'am Cristel for our 6th balloon. Sige, and now for our last balloon, we want Angeline Abisado. Ma'am Angeline. Wow, nakasash. Our last balloons. Ay, mukhang hindi pa natin si Ma'am Angeline.
Hello, Rosebel! Happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo sana mas gumanda ka pa kasi maganda ka na ngayon.
And sana lumaki kang masayahin and mabait, parang si Mama. Ewan ko lang kay Papa. Sarap. So, ayan, happy ako para sa'yo. Alam ko mabait ka, tsaka nag-aaral kang mabuti. And I love you.
Alright, palakpakan naman by Ma'am Angeline, guys, for our last. So now we complete the 7 balloons, guys. Balloons popping, meaning is symbol of unexpected joy, happiness, and excitement. Wrestling part, playful prosperity, the joy of sharing, surprises, and wealth. Appreciate with fun and creativity. Okay, so now we go on the 7 balloons, guys. Ayan, nag-give na tayo labig sarap to take a picture taking for souvenir. Okay. So ready, guys? Ayan. Okay, ma'am, lipat po. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayan, bakong ito. Ayan, okay, ready? 1. Our next is 7 blue bills. Happy birthday, Rosebell. Okay. Wish ko sana maging mabait ka lagi. Okay? Happy birthday. Alright, palakpakan naman, guys, for Sir Eric Limbo for our first blue bill. And now, for our next blue bill, we go on our second blue bills, JM Marasigan. So, Marasigan for our second blue bills.
Happy birthday. Ito, huwag mong bibigay sa amin sa daddy mo. Para pag-iinom namin.
Ayos yung message ni Sir.
Hi Rosebell, happy 7th birthday. Thank you sa pag-invite. God bless.
Alright, palakpakan naman for Sir Gary Espanya for our third blue bills, guys. Palakpakan tayo! Ayan, lagi. Alam ko, medyo gutom na kayo. And now for our next blue bill, our fourth blue bills, Sir Anthony Lepe.
Happy birthday, Rosebell.
Alright, palakpakan naman, guys. Okay. Sir Anthony Lepe, thank you so much. Okay, and now for our next blue bills, and now we go on. Marvin Chavez.
Birthday, Rosebell.
Alright, thank you so much, Sir Marvin Chavez, for our 6 blue bills, Saldi Landrito.
Girl, alis ka dyan. Mag-message ako.
Pinalayos.
Nakuha ka agad eh.
Mamaya nyo na daw.
Pa?
Mamaya nyo na daw po bilangin.
Hi, Rosebell. Ang galing ng mama mo mag-timing. Nag-hi lang. Sana hindi ko nga na-reply yan. So yun, happy birthday. And sana yung lahat ng makukuha mo ngayon ay gamitin mo, hindi yung parents. So yun, enjoy your day and sana maging mabait kang bata. Katulad kay Papa.
Palakpakan naman for Sir Salvi Landrito. Okay. And now for our last blue bills, Jen Pelonia. Lang naman po yun. Blue bills, guys. Okay, picture taking tayo for souvenir, guys. Ayan, nagkita na po tayo lahat sa tabi ng ating celebrant. And let's take a picture taking for souvenir, okay? Pakiapan niya po yung spotlight. Hindi kaya naman daw po yan pag iPhone. Niliwanag naman po. So much for our 7 blue bills, guys. Ayan, again, maraming salamat po. And now we'll move to our last, our 7 roses. We go on our first rose, Samuel Almonte, our first rose. Palakpakan naman, guys, for Samuel. Wala pa malakas ng palakpakan dyan. Nagugutom na yata itong mga to. Okay, sige, swing lang baby, swing lang. Meron lang baby, swing lang. Swing lang, swing, swing. 1, 2, 1, 2. Sige, swing lang kayo baby, swing lang. Meron lang, hakbang. Okay, and now we're going over 7 roses, Liam Papanes. And Rosemary for our second roses. And now for our third rose, Liam Papanes. Bewang baby, hawak sa bewang baby, kuya. Okay. Go, dance. May wagang sa inyo talaga. Sige lang, dance lang ngayon mga baby. Sila no, nagmamadali silang bumitaw. Ayan o. So nagtatakbo kayo sa labas, no? Pawis ka ulo. Press ka pa tuloy ng sumayaw. Hindi na ako nagpalaro eh, para yung press pa kayo. Doon pa naman nagpagod. Peoples, palakpakan naman for Kristan. Joshua Montero. Palakpakan. Joshua. Roses. Okay, and now for our last roses, guys. Ang pinaka-importanting tao sa buhay natin sa laban. So now we go on. Daddy Joseph Perez. Sa malakas na palakpakan naman dyan for Daddy Joseph, our 7 special roses. Okay, sa corner. gusto magpa-picture sa photo booth, open pa yung photo booth natin, guys. Okay? So now, isang malakas sa palakpakan naman, guys, with Daddy Joseph and Rose Band for our last and special dance. Okay? So now we complete the 7 roses, guys. Ayan, again, stand up tayo, guys, and let's take a picture. Ready? Okay, 7 roses. Each rose represents one wonderful year of life. 1 rose for each beautiful year you brought joy to the world. A symbol of lucky number, giving 7 roses can symbolize good fortune, joy, blessings for the coming year. Okay? And now, guys, before we move to our next, syempre, gusto niyo bang marinig kumanta si Rose Band and Daddy? Yes, okay. So, bibigyan tayo ni Daddy and Rose Band ng isang magandang awitin at gusto ko lahat ng kids natin, papalakpakan natin sila ng malakas. Sabi nga na isang malakas na palakpakan.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device.
Our eating time, okay? Magpapakain po muna kami. So, ang gagawin po natin is by table na lang, ma'am, or by table. O, yung mga kids may magbibigay pa ng food para sa kanila. Okay, pwede na po pumila ang lahat sa ating buffet table to get your own food. Ayan, okay? Kain lang po kayo ng kain mo ng kain, magpakabusog po kayo, okay?
Mamaya.
Balagay ko pala kaya ni Kayla mo. Thank you, Bob!
wanna flip the top. 한번 come make you hit the spot. Every little drip and drop, fizz and pop. 소름 돋아, it's getting hot. Just I'm sipping when it's dripping out. It's done, I need a second round. And pour a lot and don't you stop till my soda pop fizzles out. 속에 끌려왔던 너, 난 절대 놓칠 수 없어. 널 원했고 가 waited so long for a taste of soda, so the wait is over, baby. Coming through New York, just can't get enough. I can think of all the things that I do get. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop. Pull me down, it's so hot. Pull me up, I won't stop. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop.
Letter P. Ang init. Letter P. Ano po? Putok. Aray ko po, Diyos ko. Letter P. Nasa likod, malapit sa kilikili. Tala mo, manok, baboy yun, isda na palikpik. Ginawa mo isda. Last clue. Nagtatapos sa letter Y. Ano papaya? Letter P. Nagtatapos sa letter Y. Yes. Sino yan? Paypay. Paypay. Kanina pa ako nagpapaypay. Kakantahan natin si Rose Ben ng malakas na birthday song na may kasamang palakpak. Okay, babies? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, and sing! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! One more, yung pinakamalakas! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yung malakas! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Rose Ben! Alright, again sa Rose Ben, before I blow the candle, syempre, birthday wish kay Mami and Daddy for Rose Ben ngayong 7th birthday niya. Okay, si Mami muna. Ayan, okay, birthday wish ko, Ma'am, para kay Rose Ben.
Happy birthday, baby coach! Baby kita lagi kahit good girl ka na. Diba? Sabi ni Mama. And always remember that Mama loves you so much. And ikaw ang prayer ni Mama kay Papa Jesus kasi that's why your name has Shea. Because it's God's gift. It means God's gift. That's why lagi kang love ni Mama kasi gift ka sa akin ng Lord, okay? I love you, baby. Thank you lagi sa pagiging proud ni Mama and Papa sa school mo kasi lagi kang top sa school. Tapos, lagi kang masaya pagka lagi kang on the go pagka nag-picture, di ba? Ganda-ganda ng picture mo sa photo natin din sa ano. Thank you, baby ko. Ikaw lagi nagpapasaya kay Mama. Ikaw ang family ni Mama and ikaw ang pinaka-love ni Mama. I love you. Happy birthday. I love you.
Alright, palakpakan naman natin si Mommy, guys. Ayan, ang isang malakas sa palakpakan naman ay about Daddy. Daddy?
Yan, anak, siyempre happy birthday, 7th birthday, husband. Yung wish ko sa'yo na, yun ko rin naman kung ano yung lagi kong binigay sa'yo na siyempre una-una, lumaki ka may malaking takot sa ating Panginoon Diyos. Kasi naniniwala po ako na kapag ang tao ay laging inuuna si God, kasunod na po yan, yung kalusugan, yung health, yung karina, yung basta lagi po ako na si God anak. And isa pa sa mga mudaw si Susan na matagal din ng mga wish mo na. Kailangan. Happy birthday na. May God bless us always and I love you so much na. I love you.
Alright, palakpakan naman guys for Daddy. Ayan, mag-ma'am. Tayo po kayo, ma'am. Ayan, patayablong natin kay Rose na kanyang kanya. So ready, Rose Band? Bibigyan ko ng tatlo, baby. So ready? 1, 2, 3, and go! Okay, let's say happy birthday, Rose Band! Happy birthday, Rose Band! Yung pinakamalakas! Happy birthday! Yung mas malakas pa! Alright, isang malakas na palakpakan naman dyan, guys, para kay Rose Band, Mommy and Daddy, and now let them cooks natin. And this time, dadako naman tayo sa ating next our magic show. So magic, guys, 2 times of magic meron ako. Serious and funny magic. Yung serious, guys, prior eating, huwag na magagayahin na pagkain ng apoy. Dahil tanging Conan Magician lang ang nakakagawa nito. Inulit to, gagayahin. Ready? Upo kayo ng upo, wala pala kayo pag-picture. 1. Harapan, upo tayo lahat. Okay. Okay, manilid dyan sa gilid lang. Okay, everybody. Say happy birthday!
Guys, thank you sa pagpunta. Salamat sa time nyo para sa anak ko. Thank you sa lahat ng gift nyo and dun sa mga blue bills. Alam nyo na, thank you so much. Love you all. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nagpunta sa nakisa sa amin sa celebration ng birthday ng anak ko. Sa family ni Mrs., sa family ko na dapat bisita rin sila pero tumulong sila sa amin sa pagkasigasa. Salamat sa mga sa mga family ko, sa mga tayo. Pakain sa Koko, si Kuya Jojo na lagi namin kinakuha every birthday ng anak ko na si Rosby. Na talagang hindi naman kami talagang satisfied ng bawat celebration ng birthday ni Rosby. At yun, sa mga bisita ko, maraming salamat. Pwede na pa tayong mag-check konti at magtitira lang na pangawi. At pwede na rin pong maligo. At yun, maraming salamat po ulit. God bless us all. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you po sa magpunta sa birthday ko. Love you po. Thank you po sa mga bigay ng gift.
Nagi, so pinapalitin namin dating salamat sa lahat ng mga bisita natin. Nagi, and this time, yung ating pool, pwede na pong mag-swimming at available pa rin po ang ating photo booth.
Ready to go.
Diyan na kayo. Ako na lang. Pre, sabi mo lang. Hindi mo lang, pre. Yung mic kasi, pre. Kaya magpaliwanag dyan sa presinto ng galing yan. Pre, yung mic kasi yung magigara.
Yung coordinator, picture mo.
Sabi, biniluan mo ako kay Katabay. Wala. Pare, wala siya sabi. Ano pre? Uy, iwan na niya. Nangago ka. Gusto mo ako? Ako gusto mo.